Looking for the best dash cam to protect yourself on the road in 2026? A quality dash camera can provide valuable evidence during accidents, improve your driving security, and even protect your vehicle while it's parked. Today's latest models offer crystal clear 4K recording, advanced night vision, AI safety features, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and reliable 24-hour parking surveillance. After comparing video quality, reliability, smart features, parking protection, and overall value, we've selected the top 5 best dash cams in 2026. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Vantrue N4 Pro S. It records in an impressive 4K front, 1080p interior, and 2.5K rear resolution using Sony's STARVIS 2 sensors for outstanding image quality day and night. It also features HDR recording, infrared night vision for the cabin, built-in GPS, dual-band Wi-Fi, buffered 24/7 parking mode, and support for memory cards up to 1 terabyte. In real-world driving, the N4 Pro S captures exceptional detail, making it easier to read license plates and road signs even in challenging lighting conditions. The 3-camera setup also provides complete coverage of the front, rear, and inside of your vehicle, making it an excellent choice for rideshare drivers and families. Pros: crystal clear 4K front recording, triple STARVIS 2 image sensors, excellent HDR and night vision, 3-channel coverage, reliable GPS and Wi-Fi, supports up to 1 terabyte of storage. If you want one of the most complete dashcam systems available in 2026, the Vantrue N4 Pro S is an outstanding choice. Number 2. 70mm 4K T800. It records in 4K front, 4K rear, and 1080p interior using Sony's STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor for outstanding image quality day and night. It includes a 512GB memory card, Wi-Fi 6, 4G LTE connectivity, advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, HDR night vision, and intelligent 24-hour parking monitoring. The T800 delivers sharp video during both daytime and nighttime driving. The built-in LTE connection allows remote monitoring and notifications, while ADAS provides useful driving alerts that enhance everyday safety. Pros: dual 4K recording, STARVIS 2 sensor, Wi-Fi 6 and 4G LTE support, includes 512GB storage, excellent HDR night performance, ADAS safety features. If you want a connected smart dashcam with premium features, the 70mm T800 is a fantastic option. Number 3. BOTSLAB 4K 4-channel dashcam. This system records from 4 cameras simultaneously, providing front, rear, interior, and additional side coverage. It also includes a hardwire kit, 24/7 parking mode, 360-degree all-side recording, a 3.18-inch touchscreen, voice control, GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and even includes a free 128GB memory card. The 4-camera setup makes this one of the best choices for rideshare drivers, commercial vehicles, and anyone who wants maximum recording coverage. Navigation through the touchscreen is simple, and voice commands allow hands-free operation while driving. Pros: 4-camera recording system, full 360-degree coverage, hardwire kit included, touchscreen display, voice control, free 128GB memory card. If complete vehicle coverage is your top priority, the BOTSLAB 4-camera dashcam is an excellent investment. Number 4. REDTIGER F77. It records in 4K front and 4K rear resolution using dual STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors for outstanding image quality. It includes a built-in 128GB eMMC storage, voice control, GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, a large 4-inch touchscreen, and intelligent 24-hour parking mode. During testing, the REDTIGER F77 produced extremely sharp footage with excellent dynamic range. License plates remained readable in difficult lighting conditions, and the built-in storage offers greater reliability than traditional microSD cards. Pros: dual 4K recording, dual STARVIS 2 sensors, built-in 128GB storage, voice control, large touchscreen, excellent night vision. If your main focus is maximum front and rear video quality, the REDTIGER F77 is one of the best dual-channel dashcams available. Number 5. Vantrue N4S. It features STARVIS 2 night vision, front, rear, and interior recording, plate picks technology for improved license plate clarity, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, parking mode, and support for memory cards up to 1 terabyte. The N4S performs extremely well in low light conditions, making it ideal for night driving. Plate picks technology improves image sharpness where it matters most, helping capture important vehicle details during incidents. Pros: 3-camera recording, excellent night vision, plate picks license plate enhancement, GPS and Wi-Fi, reliable parking mode, supports large storage capacity. If you're looking for a dependable 3-channel dashcam with outstanding nighttime performance, the N4S is an excellent choice. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best dashcams in 2026. If you're looking for the best overall dashcam, the Vantrue N4 Pro S is our top recommendation, thanks to its outstanding 3-channel recording, excellent night vision, and premium feature set. The 70Mi T800 stands out with smart connectivity and dual 4K recording. The BOTSLAB 4-channel dashcam offers unmatched 360-degree coverage. The REDTIGER F77 is perfect for drivers who prioritize ultra-clear front and rear recording, and the Vantrue N4S remains an excellent all-around option with outstanding low-light performance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.